Just look at all this code. It's so unoptimized. Oh, I know. I will rewrite it. Much better. Well, time to run the tests and show everyone how good a programmer I am. Uh-oh. Alright, today's task is to write a sorting algorithm. Well, they didn't say it had to be optimized, so... Yeah, this is optimized. What should I write for this git commit? Aha! Nice. I shouldn't use an IDE. All the cool guys will make fun of me. Oh, I will use Vim instead. This is just so much better. Like, wait, how do I save? Control S. What? Wait, how do I exit? Wait, what? I don't think we need this code, so I'll just delete it to save space. I think I will rewrite this in Java. I have around 25 support tickets to handle, but I think I'll rewrite this entire codebase first. Now, they told me not to touch this line because it breaks everything. They don't know how skilled I am. Watch and learn. This is boring. I'm gonna watch some Netflix. Wait, when I pushed that commit, did I push the private keys into production? What is malloc and why is the number 500? What happens if I make it 500,000? Reset settings.py. What could this do? Oh, let's run it and see. Wait, I only know JScript, not JavaScript. I mean, shouldn't be that different, right? We don't need all these comments. It wastes space. I mean, just yeet, yeet, yeet. Who didn't comment this code? Ugh, I hate this company. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, did you know that only 4% of you guys are subscribed? I mean, have you ever been part of something that is 4%? Probably not. So this is your chance to subscribe. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching again. And yeah, goodbye.